Wow, look at this. This is absolutely incredible. Can we get a big biter here? They're looking at it. But hardly any wind, so hopefully the onboard mic's going to be good for us, Samurais, today. Oh! Oh! This is getting giant bites! Mate, the hezzers are here this year. That's a beauty. Big one. It's another day in paradise. Hardly any breeze. Very light swell. It's actually going to glass off even more than this next week. Heading into an incredibly good autumn period. Chuck that first bait out, I reckon it's gone, mate. Something big's just snaffled it. We might still get lucky, but it's highly unlikely I'll get this one out. So we've got two out there and then bring that one in. Just going to chuck this big. Could have been Taylor. If there's Taylor out there, I'll have to change your rig. What you'll find, if you lose one of your hooks, you know it's Taylor, okay? Because their teeth are just too sharp. It's probably just really big herring, which is what we want. Oh, there's still something there. We've still got bait on. That's a threadfin salmon. I've never seen one here before, ever. Wow. I didn't know we got these in Perth.
Are they edible?
Yeah, but that's too small.
Yeah.
When do we ever get threadies here? They're supposed to be up north.
Well.
Wow, there must be a patch of them. Unbelievable.
My lucky day.
A threadie in Perth. Since when do you get threadies in Perth? Wow. Wonder what that means. Alright, we're going to go back to that honey hole because that was a really good spot. See whether we can get Louise onto one again. It's this time last year. Check that out, Caden and Chloe. Beautiful snapper. Got our first ever snapper. It's great we can just put people onto these great fish. And we get a feed for the family at the same time. Get this bad boy out there. Chuck a monster on. See if anything loves us. Gotta have one hook facing back and one facing forwards, I reckon. The reef's looking real clear today, so we might be able to find some really nice little marks. Let's go have a look, eh? I think I can see some stuff right there, actually. I think I can actually see some fish. Alright, drop. Pretty close. Alright, so I reckon we got one more bait up our sleeve. Looks absolutely amazing. We got something fishy on here. Yeah, so what you want to do is up, reel down. Up, reel down. That's it. Right, keep going. Oh, it's a size one, I think. Yes! That's a take home, mate. That's a take home. You've done it again. Woo! Ah, look at that. Another beautiful herring. What a morning. Holy shizzle. That is one of the biggest whiting. And that's just a regular sand whiting, I think. That's the biggest whiting I've ever seen.